Hi everyone. I've got these little tiny bead caps. they're so little. I think they're 4mm. And then I've got a mixture of these beads. But I'm only going to use one color of them because I think that'll go with that. And I pulled some head pins out of some beads I had. And I'm going to put them in these. And we're going to make a set of earrings. So, let's get started. And these, I'm just rolling down. Simple little pair of earrings, quick. That, make it a little curl like that. Just roll it down. It's not long enough to do a twist on. And then all right, and we curled them down like that. Alright, I don't need to be sitting right there. Need to clean off my thing. I've made some other jewelry today. So I just twist it like that. See? If you pull it apart, it will not go back together right. And we'll just hook them on. This is just going to be a simple little, I got a whole bunch of beads that were like a mixed lot. So I went through and found some that match up. That's what it's going to look like. So I'm going to take it there. there's that one. We'll put a bead on. And then that's what it's going to look like. You can barely see them, but they'll have a little sparkle there. Take it. Go a little bit above. Bend it over. Go across. Go around. I think the next time I'll just roll it down because, or I might just roll it next time because this is stiff wire. It must be stainless. Some kind of steel. So how's the weather for everybody? Is it snowing at your area, or is it summer there yet? Or depending on what part of the world you're in. Yeah, they said that it was in a snow, but I guess it may have in the mountains, I don't know. We're further away from the mountains, so I was wanting to drive up there, but and it is November here, and somehow I've got to get that down. I'm out of edit. Just make sure that's the only one you couldn't. Oh, I dropped it. Wow, yeah, that's steel. So we won't be wrapping it like this on the next one. That is steel. Okay. Okay. Now, take your ear wires, and these open on the back. Hold your little bead up and twist it. Twist it back. And then I always go like that and try to check and make sure that it's seated good against there, because if it isn't, your earring can come off. It still looks a little bit twisted there. Twist it. Hold your bead. Twist it back. Now I go like that. So you don't want this coming off. So, okay. Alright, y'all, there's some spring-type earrings. And thanks for watching. If you stuck it out to the end, thank you. And like and subscribe. And until next time, y'all take care. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.